In a concerning development from Sambalpur, 5 students have accused a lecturer of mental harassment at the Government Women's College. According to reports, 2 separate complaints have been filed. One complaint was lodged by a single student, while another was jointly submitted by 4 students. All of them have alleged mental harassment. Acting on the complaints, the college principal has directed the Internal Complaints Committee, or ICC, to conduct a detailed inquiry and submit a report. As part of the investigation, the complainants have been called in for questioning and relevant information is currently being collected. The principal has stated that appropriate action will be taken based on the findings of the inquiry report. Meanwhile, the accused lecturer has not issued any response to the allegation so far.
किछि झियो आमको लेखिकी देले तो सेमाने सेते तांकर हेरासमेंट कथा लिखिथिले तो आमे ताको इमिडिएटली विभिन्न कमिटी को पठै दिले तार इन्वेस्टिगेशन एवं इनक्वारी पैसा ता परठु कमिटी विभिन्न समय बसिकी विभिन्न लेवल रे तांकर इनक्वारी करिसंती रिपोर्ट जे आमको दिया हैनी इमिडिएटली 4 रु 5 जण झियो कंप्लेन करछंती नै कमिटी रिपोर्ट तो आसीनी एक्जाक्टली से माने जल्दी देवा कथा कारण मझे छुट्टी फुटी पड़ी तेणु कमिटी तार फाइंडिंग्स सहित रिपोर्ट देला आमे ता ऊपर परवर्ती कार्यानुष्ठान नब।